Hello, friends. Today, the most important topic is uh, how to earn money through forex trading in 2022. This website is best to explain forex trading strategy, how many traders can earn profit using these strategies. First of all, you should learn carefully how much do forex traders make and forex trading strategies. The nature of forex earning is that the income level is not fixed and earnings depend on many factors. However, don't be discouraged by that statement because you can certainly make good money in the forex market. Well, of course, example of Soros and Linky are more than exceptional. How much money do you need to start earning in forex? The profit at the foreign exchange market is usually calculated as a percentage and not in specific dollar amount. Moreover, the percentage of profit for each category of trader has its own subjective indicators of assessment. Thus, novices consider 1% per day to be a very small profit, while traders of the leading World Bank who control huge deposits consider the same 1% to be a huge profit. Earnings are also directly affected by the leverage and the number of lots that a trader holds per day. The risk increases as the leverage is increased. Because the leverage and the profit grow or deflate proportionally, we will return to this aspect when we consider the main mistakes of novice traders. However, the player who takes this first step at forex is always most considered about the question, how much do I need to invest to acquire reasonable earnings? So the conclusion is the two main factors affecting traders earning are the size of deposit and the amount of leverage. The success of the predictions and the correct assessment of the general economic situation in the world are also conceptual importance. These components are directly related because it is by analyzing the state of the world market that gives the trader the knowledge.